morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to it, my name is Rezulwaz, and it's been a while that I have done my last vlog. I know you've been waiting for this. I think it was the trip to the North Cape, and I'm sorry I was busy with work, and well, it's time to sail down to Australia, as we had 2.5 weeks dry dock with the ship in Netherlands, as I was there and I couldn't film nothing. I couldn't do nothing. I just had some pictures taken as it was in restricted area. So the weather is a bit shit over here. It's it's raining and it's all that stuff here, and so here we are on a maiden voyage to Australia. So we are in London Tilbury, heading down to Amsterdam and so on, as I will update you guys. So come along on a maiden voyage to Australia. So let's go, guys. We have just finished our safety drill, and we had a drill that took about nearly 45 minutes for safety to the passengers before we sailed the ship. And now we are back in the bar. I'm back in my bar. This is my small little bar that I am in charge of. And well, there's a sail away party which I really cannot film this because I'm down and there's one deck up, and but I'll try to get something for you guys. So let's say goodbye to Britain and say hello to the open seas of adventure. What an amazing day here in Amsterdam. Well, today we are here, and yesterday we were in UK, and it's beautiful up here. Sunny weather, blue skies, and leaving here from Amsterdam at 6, so heading down to the next port of call, that's Portugal, Lisbon. We have like almost 3 days at sea, so after that we are in Portugal, and then so on. So I will keep you posted with all the ports of call that we have, but it's just few, and yeah, that's it. And just like that, a goodbye to Amsterdam with a beautiful sunset. What a beautiful day here in Portugal. We are in Lisbon today. We arrived at 6 in the morning, and it's almost 11:50 on my watch. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Sunny weather, beautiful, amazing skies. And we just had a crew deal. It just got over. I couldn't keep you much posted as we had 3 days at sea. So it's pretty much amazing, as you can see it, guys. I think there's another ship right at the back. I don't know. I'll just go over the back and like show you guys around. Wow, that's beautiful. Unfortunately, there are no ships around here. I thought there was another passenger ship which belonged to the same company that we are working with. So right now there are no ships, and well, it's time to get to work in about 45 minutes. I'll do a video about the ship, a tour about the ship, you know. So I'll not show you much, but that's the bar that I'm working in. It's down there by the pool, which is pretty cool. So yeah, you can see there is we are being stocked up by vegetables, fruits, and all the stock that needed for the ship. So it's all fresh over here. There are 3 trucks up here. Almost one is almost empty, so another 2 to go, and wow, that's a lot. So I'll keep you guys posted and see you around. just going out to see a church, and I hope I can fly my drone there, so let's see. The church Santa Engracia, translated or pronounced as Madeira de Santa Engracia, is a 17th century monument in Lisbon, Portugal. Originally a church in the 20th century, it was converted into a national pantheon, in which important Portuguese personalities are buried. It is located in the Alfama neighborhood, close to another Lisbon monument, the monastery of São Vincent de Fora. Back on the ship, and it's just a sail away party. As you can see, there are some people dancing up there. So it's time to say, I would say goodbye to Lisbon, Portugal, and say hello to Funchal, Madeira, the next port of call. Goodbye, Lisbon. Guys, as you can see, that's Christ the King, the same as in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. As one is here in Lisbon, as we sail out from here, crossing the bridge, and yep, pretty amazing place to be in. Good afternoon, guys. What an amazing day here out in Funchal, Madeira, as I've just come out from my work and I'm going, I don't know, let's see, somewhere to fly my cameras and stuff like that. And beautiful weather, sunny skies, and amazing. This is what you expect here in Funchal, Madeira. So come along and let's get going, guys. It's been a day at sea and today we are here. So let's go. Is your head spinning too? Just come out for some couple of drinks and something to eat, so let's see. There's a nice beautiful Marina terrace, so let's see where it's taking us. Let's go, guys. Wow, beautiful yachts, and oh my god, look at that. So amazing, you guys. It's beautiful. Amazingly beautiful. Here, really at a beautiful restaurant up here. It's right by the Marina, and it's pretty much cool. So we ordered a steak and a beer, obviously. So let's see how that's gonna be. Guys, we have a steak on a stone here. We just need to fry the steak here. Wow, it's amazing. I have no idea what to do. What, this butter first? Okay, I'm just trying to prepare this. Put it, take this. I have no idea, guys. This is amazing. My colleague is putting the steak here. Whoa. And then we're just putting the steak here. Some sauce, I don't know. Putting some sauce. And putting some more of the spices. What is this? Jerry? Wow. Really amazing here. There's another steak. Just getting prepared here, as you can see. It's amazing.
This is for the shipwreck.
He's the chef here right now, and everybody just enjoying the steak on the spoon.
This is just fun.
I'm late to work. I need to hurry, and it's time for me to head back to the ship. Just need to run. Well, the ship is really far away, and I start work right now, so I am late, and I don't have the strength to run. I'm so full. Guys, finally we are out from the ship, and we're just going down. I don't know where. Maybe to the beach, and hopefully to get some internet. And yeah, so let's get going and come along, guys. Bridge down. Wow, guys, amazing up here. Beautiful. Just walking down to the beach, hopefully to get a restaurant down there, and find some Wi-Fi, get some drinks. So here we are. Finally we are at the beach. After a long walk, we're just figuring out something, see what we can do. Okay guys, we had a long day here in Barbados, and I was just flying my drone for a while, and you will see that thing too. And well, it's time to get back on the ship, get back to work. We just had a drink over here, a local rum punch. It was so amazing. And the weather out here, the sunset was pretty cool, but I didn't get anything of those. And well, I'm nearly near the ship and almost got to get ready and then get to work. Had a plan in mind just to as we need
to get dressed,
exactly,
eat and
go to work, exactly. So we just have everything, like, you know,
you can do this only on board, nowhere else.
Exactly. So this is, we just need to run now, and yeah, we have a pirate night, and there's a party up in the bar, so I'll try to get to you guys, and I'll show you everything about it if I can, if I have the time. So come along and just stay on. And there she is.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Exactly. Whatever. Just like that, we just say goodbye to Grenada and move forward to the next port. That's the next country, I would say, that's Colombia, and that's in 2 days. I would say that 2 days and see at that we have this port. So just to say a goodbye to Grenada. So amazing.